everyone, Manisha Shinjvi here. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about my honest reviews on Boya microphone. So I have been using it extensively for the past 1 month for my YouTube channel, and so I'll be sharing my reviews. Let's first unbox it. Since after every use I keep it nicely, so you will have the experience of unboxing as well as the honest review. Okay. So here is the user manual. Then it also has a warranty card, and inside it our mic is packed. So let's take it out. The model is BY-M1 microphone. It comes with an omnidirectional microphone. There is a foam windscreen which reduces the air noise. Here we have collar clip. Then we have this, in which I have already inserted the battery. So I'll quickly show you. Yes, so it comes with a battery which I have already placed it here. And there is also a button, and using this we can switch between camera and smartphone. So this is 3.5mm jack, which can be used with laptops as well as smartphones. And if you wish to use it with cameras, here is the connector. So it can be used with cameras as well. And the best part is it has 6-meter long cable. So even if your device is far away from you, you can easily use it. So that is one thing that I really love about it. So now let's talk about my overall review about the product. I'm really happy with this one because the voice quality is amazing, and as you must have noticed in my vlogs, it's really very clear. However, if you wish to use it in any market area where the noise level is really high, you can also opt for another model of Boya, which is BY-M1 Pro. So this model, which is BY-M1, I got it for rupees 789 from Amazon. And the other model, BY-M1 Pro, that is available for rupees 1799. So I'll put the link in the description box for both the models, and you can surely try any one of them for your use. Now talking about its rating, so I would rate it as 10 on 10. Yes, you heard it right, 10 on 10, because I'm really satisfied with the voice quality and the product, and I would surely recommend it to all of you. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please consider subscribing. Hello everyone, Manisha Shinjvi here. And so today I'm going to do the unboxing as well as review. It comes with 1 मिनट काट दो ना, आपको भी ये रोकना पड़ेगा अपना जो ये घुर everybody will freeze. And